Hi, my name's Stuart. Welcome finally back to the part of flying Vienna. Yes, for quite some time I have not been able to make and post new drone videos. Now finally the weather's good enough and I've decided to go back out again. Now restarting this, I thought I'll start little, very little. So I have chosen the ancient Roman city of Carnuntum, which is to the east of Vienna, actually not too far away from the Slovakian border. And it is really interesting, it's fascinating. If you're here in the area, you should definitely come visit it. What they've done is they have actually rebuilt some of the Roman architecture, some of the houses, so you can see what they used to look like. And that bit at the moment is actually closed still due to the pandemic. So unfortunately I won't be able to show images of that. I mean, I'll try and get some from afar with the drone. I don't want to fly over the area because I'm not sure they would be too chuffed by me doing that. What we can see on the outside, however, is the amphitheatre, which is sort of 10 minutes away. It was 10 minutes outside of the city, actually, 10-minute walk from the city to get to the amphitheatre, where they had gladiatorial battles and other things. So we'll definitely check that out with the drone and see what else there is in the area to film. I hope I have not become too rusty over the last few months and that this works well. You'll see the result in a few seconds. I hope you enjoy. We have moved location now. We are no longer at the Amphitheatre. We are now at the Heathen gate, or in German it's a Heiden Tor. And it's actually quite interesting. You can't really see it now because not so much is left, but it's actually a so-called quadrifrons, which is made up of 4 pillars, so 4 corners. It's more like a monument. They say that you should imagine that on the top there should be probably some statue of a Roman emperor that was dedicated to. There is actually an image over there that shows you what it's supposed to look like, and that's quite interesting. I've got that for you as well. Now I'll send up the drone so that we can see it a bit more from afar. Okay, that's the end of the video. I'm so happy to be back to flying the drone again. I know it's rather small in scale, especially when you compare it to my last drone video with the absolutely massive monastery. But I still hope you enjoyed. I certainly did. Finally a nice day out, and yeah, it's just still so much fun to fly with the drone. So again, the flying part in flying Vienna has successfully returned. Well, thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel for more videos. There will be more drone videos, I absolutely assure you of that. And I'll see you in the next one on Flying Vienna. Take care. Bye.